Let's go through the architecture of an AVS with its components and interactions between them. Then you can understand how an AVS is running. To start, a service is really a series of tasks. And to make that less abstract, in the case of incredible squaring, it's a service to square numbers. So the smallest work you can do is square a single number. And that's the task that these operators will be doing. They will be squaring numbers and constantly sort of cycling through this flow that we see here below. This is a high-level diagram, essentially, of showing the interaction between the components of an AVS. So let's walk through what's happening in the incredible squaring case. So it starts off with a task generator, and it will submit the task, the number to be squared. It will send that then to the AVS contracts, which will emit an event containing the details, like the number to be squared, and the operators of this AVS will have been listening for that event and pick it up. They'll execute that, so square the number, and then they'll also send a signature. They'll send that to the aggregator, and the aggregator will do some checks with the Eigenlayer contracts, like is this operator actually opted into the AVS at the time specified by the task generator? And if it's met some threshold, that will then be pushed to the AVS contracts. And then you can do any on-chain execution with that. So this is a sort of flow, right? Is you have a task generated, executed, aggregated, and then back to the AVS contracts. So this off-chain execution, and then you eventually have the result on-chain. And this is how other AVSs will also follow a similar sort of flow. So if you can break down a service into the smallest piece, the task, then you can start to understand like how it might be running behind the scenes. So this is really high level, and next we'll run into the actual UML diagram, which will show some implementation specific details for incredible squaring.